dearest morsel of the earth. Thus I enforce thy rotten jaw to open, and despite I'll cram thee with more food.
Open too. This is that banished Hoggetty Montague that murdered my love's cousin with grief. It is supposed the fair creature died, and here is come to do some villainous shame to the bodies. I will apprehend him. Stop thy unhallowed toil, vile Montague can Vihangus be pursue further than the common deed. Villain, I do pray thee, obey and go with me, for thine arm must die.
I must indeed, and therefore came I hither. Good, gentle youth, tempt not a desperate man. Lift them, effright thee, I beseech thee, young youth, but not another spin upon my head.